Okay, everybody, welcome back to another video with the Samsung microwave. In today's video, I'm going to be showing everyone how to change the power level on this microwave because just like changing the time, it can be a little bit confusing. So it's New Year's Day, I'm cleaning up, and I realized why not just make a quick video. So what you're going to do, you're going to come in here, all right, we're here at our control panel, right, our display, I'll call it the control panel. All right, so what we're gonna do here, let's say we wanna cook something at 50% power for 30 seconds. We'll do a minute. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your time on there first, and then what you're gonna do here is power level, but it's got that confusing thing that says 3 seconds. We don't need to push it for 3 seconds. Watch this. I'm hovering over power level. I'm gonna push it in a moment. Oops, whoops. All right. 1 minute. Sorry about that, everyone. Power level. I put 5, gives me 50%. You hit start. We're cooking at 50%, okay? Clear that off. Let's go another minute. Power level. We'll go another minute. Power level. We can go 20%, all right, as you see there. Another minute. Power level. We'll go 70%. All right, so that's it. That's how you change the power level on your Samsung microwave. And yeah, so if this helped, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Talk to everyone later. Bye.